If you've ever wanted to quickly adjust an image right inside WordPress, maybe crop out the messy background, resize a logo, or straighten a sideways photo, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use WordPress's built-in image editor to resize. Crop and rotate your images without needing any extra software. After watching, you'll know how to make your images look just right for your website, all from your dashboard. Let's dive right in. To start, we need to access your media library, the central spot where all your uploaded images live. Inside your WordPress dashboard, just find the Media tab on the left. And click Library. This opens up a neat gallery view of every image and media file on your site. If you've just uploaded a batch of photos or graphics, this is where they appear. Take a moment to scroll until you spot the image you want to edit. Once you've found that image, simply click on it. This brings up the Attachment Details window, showing you a preview and some basic info like file name, size, and upload date. Here's where the magic happens. Look over to the left and you'll see an Edit Image link. Click that. Now you're inside WordPress's image editor and you'll spot several handy tools. Let's talk resizing first. Maybe your photo is too large for your page or you want a faster loading, smaller image. Under Scale Image, you'll see boxes for width and height. Enter the new size you want, and WordPress automatically keeps things proportional, so your image won't stretch or squish. For example, if your original image is 1200 pixels wide and you need it to be 600, just enter 600 and let WordPress figure out the height. Once you've set the numbers, click the Scale button. There's a quick pause while the change applies. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. Now let's crop out distractions or focus attention. Click the crop tool. It looks like a little pair of scissors. Drag your mouse over the image to create a selection box. Maybe you want to cut out extra space around a product photo or recenter a headshot. You can adjust the box until it fits just right. When you're happy with the area you want to keep, just click the crop button above. Think of cropping as zooming in with a camera, perfect for highlighting only the part that matters. Sometimes a photo uploads sideways or you want a mirror image. That's where the rotate and flip icons come in. Look for a little circular arrow for rotating or two arrows for flipping. One click rotates your image 90 degrees at a time. Use these until your image stands upright or faces the way you want. Don't worry if the preview takes a second to update. Finished. Make sure to hit Save or Update to lock in your changes. This step is easy to overlook, but it ensures your edited image shows up everywhere on your site. If you change your mind, you can always come back and restore the original image. WordPress keeps a backup for you. Let's say you want to edit an image already in a post or page. Go to Posts or Pages, open the one containing your image and click on the image itself. You'll see a small toolbar appear just above. It holds all your quick editing options. Click the crop icon to activate crop mode. Here, you can drag to select the part of the image you want, just like before. You'll also find options to zoom in or quickly set a specific aspect ratio, say square or portrait, useful if your site has uniform image shapes. To rotate, just hit the rotate icon and your image flips 90 degrees at a time. When everything looks the way you want, click Apply, and your changes will appear instantly in your post or page. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can resize, crop, and rotate any image in WordPress, saving you time and making your site look way more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need help with a tricky image, just drop a comment below. For more straightforward WordPress tips like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.